Okay, so it is nice to talk over here on behalf of EBBS and Akram's management regarding the agent meet and to share the ideas over here and to get lots of ideas. And actually, I feel myself fortunate enough to be here in this event and collect more ideas, having good connection with the universities and the colleges from the Europe. And actually, even though there were some obstacles, it means well coming from Nepal to over here, but I managed to be here on time. And even though I have left some of the meetings earlier, but what had happened is that the media person and the staffs who are conducting EBBS or Akrusam, they assisted me a lot. And I'm really happy that even though I have left some of the meetings that were booked earlier, but I'm happy enough that I could have the connection and talks and chats and to do the business agreement and so on. And beside the meeting, what I really enjoyed yesterday evening is that just being there in the cruise dinner, right? So many people gathering together and dancing, getting relief from the regular meeting and something like that. So it was awesome, and it is a different experience so far. And I'm really happy to have similar types of meetings even in future. And I really thank myself, the team, EBBS and Akrams to manage the events like this. Thank you.